So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to an image here in a Pages document. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Pages application and insert a photo into your document. So for this demonstration, I have this photo right here. And once that is done, simply just go ahead and press on the photo right here to get this menu on the right hand side of your screen. So once that is done, go over to where it says shadow right here. And if you were to go ahead and press on where it says no shadow right here, press on the drop down. You can select the type of shadow that you're looking to add to your image. So if you want to add a drop shadow, then press on drop shadow. If you want to add a contact shadow or a curve shadow, you can press the following as well, just for demonstration purposes here. This is what a drop shadow looks like. This is what a contact shadow looks like. And this is what a curved shadow looks like. So you can go ahead and press whatever shadow you're looking for. We'll just go ahead and keep a drop shadow right here. Once that is done, you can change the blur to more blur or less blur. You can change the offset to more offset or less offset. And the opacity, you can make it sort of darker or make it lighter, depending on how much you want the shadow to sort of be prevalent here. And if you want to change the color of the shadow or change the angle right here, you can play around with the angle right here. You can change the color right here by making it, for example, we'll make it, a green shadow right here, and we'll make it super dark so it's a little bit easier to see, just like that. There you go. And as you can tell now, there is some shadow added to this image. So if you were to go ahead and move the image around, the shadow should follow. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to add shadow to an image here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.